Hello guys, today I'm going to tell you about that Aria Protocol token. Now before we start the video, let's share my legal disclaimer. This video is only for educational purpose. Do your own research for the investing. According to the website, Aria Protocol founded in 2025. Aria is an investment platform that transforms iconic culture, intellectual property assets into digital financial assets. With Aria, investor can buy and sell rights tied to real world income from music performed by major artists. Area ensures transparent, verifiable IP ownership and revenue sharing via Story blockchain. Area is also developing programmable IP tools, allowing for cultural assets such as music, art, and film to be licensed, remixed, and monetized through digital contracts directly from rights holders. Area is creating IP financial markets. Area Protocol project institution rating is 3.4. Aria Protocol token total supply is 1 billion and circulating supply is around 333 million. Aria Protocol token is listed on Binance Alpha, BingX and other exchanges. If I share my opinion with you, then this project up to 75% chances is that it is a legit or good project. So guys, don't take my opinion as a financial advice. Do your own research for the investing. Thanks for watching.